Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I would like to review a very nice product actually called wall light. As you know, these wall lights, they all need a power cable. So this particular product, which I actually opened it, so the box was just like a normal box, that's why it's pretty big, so I just opened it and put everything here. It does not need a power cable, and that's what makes it very interesting, which means you can actually just connect them to the wall without a power cable. I will show you how. First of all, let's see what we have got. We have two lights which are LED. I think they also have a battery as far as I know, because they have a charging cable, so other than that it won't work, I guess. Then we have two lights. There's a small user manual. I'm not sure what this one is. Probably something which comes on top of the light itself to probably have this cover around it. And two arms, I think, for the bottom of it to make it longer. There is also a controller here where I think you can control the lights. Let's check it out. So first of all, let's have a look at the user manual. We have the lamp body, the lamp shade, lamp pole, basically the frame, that thing. So then we have the metal frame, LED puck light, this one. We have the fixtures as well, the controller and everything. So it should look like this at the end. Let's just open one of them up, have a look what we have. So I always had this challenge actually in my corridor and also the outside door, that I do not have a power cable there. So I was always wishing to find something, and I accidentally came across this product. Really nice one. I would say the quality is pretty smooth, really nicely coated, I would say, very nicely basically smoothened. And this is how it look like. Then you have got this one, the fixtures. This is pretty standard. So you have, the fine thing is you can actually have a cable if you want to. So you can actually pass a power cable if someone does not want to have this LED light. Let's open the other one as well. So this is how it looks like. Pretty much the same thing in here. So let me just put them next to each other. This one's away. So there's also the connecting points as well, so you can just drill to the wall and just screw it basically to the wall. This one the same thing. Now let's open the shades as well, or let's just put it away first. Let's just install this part, the bottom part, which would be like this. So basically just simply close this. I would say very smooth, can be closed also very well. We can also look at the installation guide. Right, so first we need to do this fixture and then open the shade. Let me just do that as well. This one as well. There we go. So we have them both. The next step is to, based on the user manual, open this one. This would go on the top, and I think this one go in the bottom. We need to first open the shade in here. Let's check this out. I would say really nice one. It's somehow like a plastic, so that's good, because there's one challenge I remember from the old days was these ones were like a paper and you can never wash them. So this is good. And what I really like here is it can connect in here, so you don't need to basically sew them together or something like some of the old models. So you can just very nicely tight it in here. That's it. Looks like this. And we have got this thing in here which would sit in the corners very well, I would say. Let's do that as well. So here as well, this part, just turn it around. So let's push this. Oops. here, and the last one, this one. Perfect. So then we put the other side of it as well. 1, 2. This is the third one, and the last one. Oh, I couldn't believe that easy could be set up. Really nice. Alright, I think the next step would be to push this. Actually, I'm thinking like this. Right, okay, so first we need to open this one in here and put this in here, and then from the top this will be closed in there. Let me close it. So basically from the bottom look like this, and that's it. So it looked like this one. Really nice. Probably this one is not a must, I think. So I think it's just for the design, but can be removed as well. But fine. Now let's have a look at the light. There is also these fixtures which go for the light. That's the next step. Very interesting. So this one I think sits on the light like this and make it look like a light bulb. Very cool. And the light can be turned on, I think, like this. And with the controller, so we need to open the battery here. Need to remove this one, so the colors can be changed. Very nice. You can give it the time, you can give it like you can lower the brightness as well. Yeah, indeed. You can make it flashy, you can make it a smooth change, or basically change the colors. Really nice. Let's just put it on the white one, or I'm not sure, this one. Yes, this is the white. Then we can connect this magnet in here. Very strong magnet, I would say. Then we can put this here, basically just like a normal bulb. Or basically I think we can do it to this one, maybe it's more visible. So you can close it in here. Let me check one more thing in here. Actually, as I said, so this can be used for, let's say, normal light bulb as well, if someone wanted. So you can pass a cable and look here, you have everything for it. So close this one, and basically this comes on top. And you have the cover around it, so I will do to the other one, just to see how it looks like. It looks very interesting to me, actually. It's a little bit hard, perhaps we should have done it first. Okay, now connect this, and there we go. So look like this. Imagine this is the wall, so, and we can change the color. Very nice. So let me increase the, okay, this is the maximum brightness. Well, one thing maybe which I can criticize in here is probably the brightness. It's not really the most bright light. So it has some lights, but, and again, this light, I mean, on the wall is not really supposed to make your room bright. It's just more of like a ambient light for me. So I think it fulfills the requirement. It looks pretty nice. If you remove this one as well, then you have a smaller footprint for it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. This one, I think when you connect it to the wall, basically with these fixtures, you can adjust them in case they are a little bit like tilted. So that's the usage of this. Well, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. I always have new videos every day, pretty much different products, so stay tuned. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye.